Have you ever wondered how machines can understand videos just like we do? Imagine a future where AI can interpret visual contexts with the precision of a seasoned film critic. Enter the world of masked autoencoding, or MAE, where the mundane transforms into something extraordinary. This sophisticated technique leverages the power of deep learning, allowing models to learn from video data in a revolutionary manner. Instead of analyzing every single frame, MAE takes a step back, masking portions of the video and forcing the model to predict what's hidden. This is not just a clever trick, it's a game changer in how we process visual information. Let's unpack how this works. At its core, the MAE architecture is built on two key components, a powerful encoder and a strategic decoder. The encoder extracts meaningful features from the unmasked frames, while the decoder works diligently to reconstruct the missing information. Think of it like a puzzle, each piece analyzed independently, yet woven together to create a cohesive image. But what does this mean for real-world applications? Look at DALL-VU, for instance. This model harnesses MAE to enhance user experience in video streaming, intelligently predicting user preferences by analyzing incomplete scenes. It's like having a personal curator anticipating what you might want to watch next based on patterns in your viewing habits. And let's not forget breakfast, another fascinating application of MAE in video understanding. Here, the model dissects cooking videos, recognizing ingredients and cooking techniques with startling accuracy. Imagine a virtual chef that not only suggests recipes, but can also guide you step by step through preparation by understanding the nuances of visual instructions. The implications are staggering. From smarter AI companions that can enhance our media consumption to educational tools that help us learn by example, MAE is paving the way for a new era of technology. We are on the brink of unlocking new potential in how we interact with video content. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we delve into this realm, we must ask ourselves, how will we deploy such transformative technologies in our daily lives? This is the critical question we need to address as we move forward. So what do you think? Could masked autoencoding be the breakthrough that changes everything? Dive into the discussion in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this exploration as fascinating as I did. Subscribe for more deep dives into technology, and let's continue to explore the future together.